You know, I will take a cue from Professor Majid Chaudhry, who presented a historical perspective this morning. And I guess I'm privileged to take that historical perspective. Not so long ago, these cancers that we were discussing today, the hepatocellular cancers and the colorectal liver metastases and the locally advanced pancreas cancers, we used to just refer on to the oncologist and perhaps the radiation oncologist. But it seems things have changed dramatically. And obviously, the credit goes to this multidisciplinary approach that you guys are talking about and the multimodal treatment. I think this has revolutionized everything. So here is a lifespan that's seen this dramatic change, a paradigm shift, if you like. I'd just like to say that it's not simply the technology, and it's not simply the technical expertise, although one cannot undermine the importance of these things. But I think what is striking to me is the strengthening of health systems in Pakistan. It seems to me that this couldn't happen unless you had disease surveillance, for example, in the case of hepatocellular cancer, unless you had this tremendous collaboration between specialists across the board. And tumor boards and the likes are really a great advance. And then timely referral of patients, the keeping of excellent medical records and rigorous follow-up of patients. I mean, these are the things, this is the kind of systems approach that will lead to sustainability of this advance that we have seen this morning. And I really like to congratulate our presenters for taking us on this journey to show that transition has arrived and is now progressing to an advanced stage of treatment in Pakistan. I mean, this is fantastic. It really, for the people who are coming on the scene right now, you cannot see what I can see from, and what Professor Majid Chaudhry has talked about, from days gone by, where, as I said, these things you just gave up. You just referred on. And now, look at this. So congratulations to the speakers. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Mushtaq Ahmed Khan and Professor Abdal Wasim Khan for such an amazing panel discussion and Q&E session. Now I would like to invite Professor Tariq Mahmood to come on the stage and distribute mementos to our distinguished chairperson and co-chairperson. I would like to invite Professor Mushtaq Ahmed Khan to come on the stage and receive memento. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite Professor Abdal Wasim Khan to kindly come on the stage and receive memento. Thank you, Dr. Tariq Mahmood. You can have a seat. I would like to invite Professor Mushtaq Ahmed to come forward on the stage and distribute mementos to the distinguished speakers of our today's session. Dr. Jahzeb Haider, kindly come on the stage and receive your memento. Now I would like to invite Dr. Salima Begum to come on the stage and receive her memento. I would like to invite Dr. Zishan Nasir to come on the stage and receive his memento. Thank you, Professor Mushtaq Ahmed. Please have a seat. I would like to invite Professor Abdal Wasif Khan to kindly come on the stage and distribute mementos to the speakers and moderator of the session. Dr. Junaid Iqbal, kindly come on the stage and receive your memento. I would like to invite Dr. Om Prakash to kindly come on the stage and receive his memento. Now I would like to invite Professor Rizwan Khan to kindly come on the stage and receive your memento. Dr. Abdal, we have one more person. No problem. Now I would like to invite Dr. Arsalan to come on the stage and receive his memento. Thank you, sir. Please have a seat. Respected audience, after navigating the bile ducts and pancreas, now it's time to refuel. It's time for the lunch. Please proceed to the dining area, and we will see you back soon at 2 p.m. sharp for the next session. Thank you.